Yo, what's good, homies and homies? It's your boy RC here. Get ready to get into this video called Calebcity Pain Noises Compilation 3. And I can't wait to get into it. It's going to be good. Hey, it's a Calebcity video. Why not? You know, Calebcity video is always good. Let's hop into it right now. I can't wait to check it out.
You got it. I got it. Oh, no.
I still don't understand how he can get his body to crumple like that. I love that face. I love that face. That face, you make that face after you watch a Calebcity video, like you just don't know what happened. Like, oh wow, really?
We're completely safe behind these fortresses.
No, you're not. No, you're not. What was that one? Look at that. Those noises are really hilarious.
I did it! Stop. Copernicus.
I gotta go back.
Copernicus.
What is that? What is Copernicus? Like, bro, Caleb, he's just come up with the most random things and he can make it funny.
Copernicus. Oh no! My head gone, bruh. The car hit my head off, bruh. Oh,
Wow,
man, my
I can't. That's just.
Yo, are you finally done?
Calebcity Pain Noises Compilation Part 3. Wow. That's Calebcity, y'all. He's just random. He's weird. He's just kooky. He's himself, man. He's himself. And there's nothing wrong with being yourself. He's so entertaining. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video because I know I did. Be sure to smash the like button, leave a comment, subscribe, share, follow, do all that good stuff. Do what you have to do. Until next time, much love, stay cool, y'all. Peace.